So I am in between Smoky Mountain National Park and I am surrounded with a huge forest, lush greens everywhere, which is kind of very beautiful and very picturesque. And yes, so we are going to a place called Klingman's Dome, which is famous for a very good sunset. So let's see and catch some glimpse of a good sunset view and relax a bit in the nature zone.
It's not easy, Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me. Living in the summer didn't last too long. And no one never loved her.
Still not at the sunset point. We need to walk or basically trail for next 20 minutes and reach the point. So let's go there. So it's not only me. Look at these guys. They look more tired than I am. Kedar looks all happy. Yes, let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Got me.
Come. I'm already tired of walking. It's very steep and we have 3/4 left. Let's see if we can make it in time.
Good luck.
You are with me in this.
These days, it's not easy, Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me.
Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you did like it and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video and share it. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.
It's not easy.